Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Been working a lot, but I started working on my solar again. I got a Trimetric 2025 and some breakers for ground fault protection for PV array. 360 amp breakers, 2 for PV array charge controller, Xantrax C60, and 1 for C60 load controller. I got another breaker for battery bank, another one for capacitor bank, and another one for any kind of charger and or load that I might want to hook up so I can protect it. I have fuses for like the Trimetric, this twist type panel mount, and I also will be monitoring the capacitor charge and discharge with this here from Blue Sea, and the shunt. It's over here somewhere. Hold on. There it is. There's a shunt. I'm going to get this panel so that I'm going to put it on like 2 door hinges that I'm going to mount. And I got a 600 amp positive bus bar, negative. They originally come, silver. I used permanent marker, and then I know my lighting sucks right now. Hold on, let me see if I can get this light on. There you go. That's a ground bus bar. But yeah, I got to start cutting holes in the panel to mount everything. But it's going to be a little while. And I got some relays over here for some controls. 500 amp shunt for the Trimetric 2025. But pretty much how you see it on the panels, what I have in mind. And right here I got some 1/4 inch mono jacks that I'm going to mount surface for Harbor Freight kit fluorescence. And pretty much all this stuff I got off of eBay. So it's going to be a total of, I think it's like 510 amp trip point for the battery bank. 500 amp shunt. Yeah, I know I can't handle 500 amps for too long, but I couldn't find a breaker that was low enough, you know what I'm saying? So I had to go a little higher, and I'm going to use 250 MCM. And I got my lugs and some switches, and some more lugs. Also got these LEDs. Red and green LEDs for status on breakers. Haven't got any cable yet. Want to get it all mounted so I can get good lengths. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to pay for more cable than I have to. This stuff ain't cheap. Especially 250 KC mil or MCM. It used to be called KC mil. So anyway, So you might like to see what I'm up to. And if you're wondering, this box, it's 24 by 24 by 6. And it's from Cube Corporation, I think it is. And not too bad of a box. It seems to be pretty well built. Welded, beads and everything underneath. Same with the cover, and it's got a gasket in it. Comes with screws and everything. The only thing that sucks is, a box this big ain't cheap. I wanted to get one with a hinge on it, but I'll make do. I think those will work. 160 bucks for this box. Like I said, it's pretty well built. It's thick too. There. Pretty nice and thick. So looking forward to getting this put together and getting it all set up to the point where I'm ready to transfer my charge controllers onto this box. I'm planning on mounting it up on top. I could put 4 C60s in a row up on top of that if I wanted. Well, hope you enjoyed.